Now after configuring or entering all of the inventory items, let's enter their opening balances. I'll click on the last inventory item and go to their beginning balances. Now you can see that all of the inventory items can be found here. So I'll just click on first item. So it will open up the information that you need to enter regarding that inventory item. So our first inventory item quantity is 40. Now unit cost is 12,000. So total cost makes up to 480,000. Now let's click on second one. It is Civic headlights. So quantity is 10. Unit cost is 35,000, which makes up the total to 350,000. Now third one is wheel cups. So 40. Unit cost is 250. This makes the total to 10,000. And last one is Suzuki rear lights. Quantity is 100, rate is 600. Quantity is 100, rate is 600. This makes the total to 60,000. Now let's click OK. So you can see that all of the inventory items and their balances is updated in one go. Now I'll just click save and close. Now I'll close this one as well. If you want to see the updated inventory details in the summary section right here, so I'll just click on refresh from the top option. So you can see that quantity on hand is now updated. So just update the quantities and their opening balances, and then we will move to the next video.